Look at the little baby with his hiccups. Look at his chest. Oh. He was hot a minute ago. He was hollering. Uh-oh, he don't like that. He don't like that. Heat bumps. I'm hot too, baby.